Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now back to today's Fly on the Wall documentary on QA testing.
Guess what, Gaffy? I just got us a new shiny upgrade kit for the server.
Oh no, what kind of kit?
Well, it's a state-of-the-art, all shiny plug-and-play kit that's going to upgrade the server, same as what they've got at corporate.
Yeah, more like plug and pray.
Come on, it's not going to be that bad, it'll be easy. I even brought a screwdriver.
A screwdriver? This is a server, not a piece of flat pack furniture.
Relax, I even watched a YouTube video.
Alright, famous last words. Alright, what's in the box?
Look. Well, we've got... I think that's RAM. Is that RAM? Yeah, RAM. The CPU. Yeah, CPU has a CPU on it. And this cute little fan. Look, it's so cute.
That cooler's the size of a coffee mug. This server runs hot enough to fry eggs.
So this is going to fix that, right? Oh, I'll tell you what, if we're better off just leaving the old one in, we'll leave the old one in, easy peasy. Tell you what, I'll hold the server, you do the installing.
Hold the server? Dark, this isn't a goldfish bowl. It weighs 50 pounds and has a vendetta against anyone who touches it.
Wow, aren't you being dramatic?
Congratulations, you successfully upgraded our server into a brick.
Nah, I'm sure it's fine, I mean... Where's the on button again?
Right at the side of the self-destruct switch.
Is that... Oh, come on. Okay, fine, let's just install the RAM and see where we're at. It doesn't want to go in.
That's because you're shanking the motherboard.
I thought it just kind of clicked in.
Yeah, after aligning the pins, not after prodding it into submission. There.
Great. Now, let's do the CPU.
Did you bring thermal paste?
Yeah, of course I did. What's thermal paste?
Oh, you know, just the glue that keeps the server from overheating and melting into a puddle.
Well, I'm sorry if I expected you to have that. I might have forgot to order it.
Perfect. We'll just slap on some toothpaste and call it a day.
Ooh, money saving tip. Is that a good one?
No, it is not.
Oh. Okay, well, forget the CPU. Let's just power it on and see how much of an upgrade we got from this RAM.
Oh, this'll be good.
Oh, what? Oh gosh, is it supposed to do that?
Yep, absolutely. The server's just celebrating its Viking funeral.
Ah, okay. Plan B, we'll just call tech support.
I am tech support.
Okay, plan C then. Let's blame it on a power surge and order some pizza.
Best idea you've had all day.
Extra cheese?